Hello everyone, my name is Yuganthan. I'm here to discuss about my OS assignment that's about operating system. I'm currently studying in the third sem of CSE AI. Let's begin. Introduction to operating system. What is an operating system? An operating system is a system software that acts as an intermediary between a user of a computer and the computer hardware. It is a software that manages the computer hardware and allows the user to execute programs in a convenient and efficient manner. Operating system goals. Make the computer system convenient to use. It hides the difficulty in managing the hardware. Use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. Provide an environment in which user can easily interface with the computer. It is a resource allocator. Computer system structure or component of computer system. Computer system is mainly consist of four components: hardware, operating system, application program, user. Hardware provides a basic computing resource such as CPU, memory, I/O device. Operating system controls and coordinates the use of hardware among various applications and user. Application program defines the way in which the system resources are used to solve the computing problems of the users. Example: word processor, compiler, web browser are examples. User: people, machine, etc., computer. So here is a diagram how the OS is in between computer hardware and user application. So here you see the user 1, user 2, user 3, user n number. User 1 is using a compiler, user 2 is using a assembler, user 3 is using a text editor and using data system, where this all runs over a system and application program, and there is a computer hardware. In between we have the operating system. This acts as an interface between these two. List out the user view and system view of OS. Operating system can be viewed from 2 points. One is user view and system view. User's view. If the user is using standalone system, the OS is designed for each easy of use and high performance. The resource utilization is not given importance. If the user is at a different terminals connected to a mainframe or a mini computer, by sharing information and resources, the OS is designed to maximize the resource utilization. OS is designed in such a way that CPU time, memory, and I/O devices are efficiently used. No single user takes more than no no single users take more than the resource allocated to them. If the user works in a workstation connected to a network and servers, the user has a system unit of their own and shares the resource and files with their other system. Here the OS is designed for both easy of use and resource availability. Other systems like embedded systems used in home like washing machine, etc., automobiles do not have the user interactions. They have some LEDs to show the status of its work. User of handheld systems expects the OS to be designed of easy use and performance of amount of battery life. System view. Resource allocator. The OS acts as a manager of hardware and software resources: CPU time, memory space, file storage space, I/O device, shared files are the different resources required during the execution of program. They can be configured requests from the resource by different programs running in the same time, same system. The OS assigns the resource to the requesting program depending upon the priorities. Control program. The OS is a control program and manage the execution of users program to prevent errors and improper use of computer. Computer system organization. One or more CPUs, device controllers connected through a common bus providing an access to shared memory. Each device is controller in charge of specific type of device. To ensure orderly access of shared memory, a memory controller is provided whose function is to synchronize access the memory. The CPU and other devices execute concurrently, computing on the memory cycles. Concurrent execution of CPU and devices computing for memory cycles. Interrupt handling. The occurrence of an event is usually signalated by an interpreter. The interpreter can be either the form of hardware or software. Hardware may trigger an interrupt at any time by sending the signal to the CPU. Software triggers are interrupted by the executing a special operation called system call, or also called as monitor call. When the CPU is interrupted, it stops what it's doing and immediately transfers the execution to the fixed location. The fixed location contains the starting address where the server routine for the interrupt is located. After the execution of interrupt service routine, the CPU remises the interrupted computation. Interrupts are an important part of computer architecture. Each computer design has its own interrupt mechanism, but several functions are common. The interrupt must be transfer controlled to the appropriate interrupt service routine. Thank you. This was all about this video.